You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more app reviews and tech tips. Welcome to our in-depth review of the JEFIT fitness app. We'll cover everything you need to know about its features, functionality, and who it's best suited for. Check the description below for links to download the app and explore further. JEFIT is a comprehensive fitness application specifically designed for individuals dedicated to strength training and bodybuilding. Its primary strengths lie in its extensive workout tracking features and vast exercise library, boasting over 1,400 distinct exercises. Each exercise entry includes instructional videos and detailed muscle diagrams, simplifying the process of creating personalized workout routines or following existing ones, regardless of your fitness level. One of JEFIT's standout features is its custom workout planner. This tool empowers users to create tailored routines, meticulously track sets, representatives, rest periods, and even follow pre-built workout plans designed by the JEFIT community or certified fitness professionals. Furthermore, the app facilitates progress tracking by providing in-depth analytics on crucial metrics such as 1 rep max, total volume lifted, and body measurements. This detailed data analysis is invaluable for users committed to monitoring and understanding their fitness progress. JEFIT also incorporates a social element, fostering a fitness community where users can share their achievements, participate in challenges, and draw motivation from fellow fitness enthusiasts. For individuals who benefit from accountability and community support, this social aspect can significantly enhance the overall fitness experience. The app is available in 2 tiers, a free version and the Elite subscription. The free version provides access to a wide array of essential tools, while the Elite subscription unlocks additional features, including advanced analytics, real-time progress tracking, and an ad-free experience. If you are deeply invested in your training and seek data-driven insights to optimize your workouts, the Elite subscription is worth considering. So, who is JEFIT designed for? It's ideal for strength trainers, gym enthusiasts, and anyone committed to structured workout routines. However, if your focus is on general fitness or cardio-based programs, JEFIT might not be the optimal choice, as its core features are centered around resistance training. In conclusion, JEFIT is a powerful resource for gym-goers seeking a detailed, data-driven approach to fitness. If you're ready to take your training to the next level, check out the links in the description below to download and try JEFIT today.